You guys got this in the mail for free. Some kind of looks like a strap here. So this is a SW tool. It's a 2-inch wide adjustable strap that can be used for purses or a guitar, and it's 28 adjusts to 28 to 50 inches. So just like this, if you want to make it longer. So let's see. Looks like we got single stitching here on the end, metal clips or whatever right here. Appears to be fairly strong and sturdy and comfortable too. It's 2 inches wide, so it's not going to dig into your shoulder too bad if you have like a heavier object, and it's easy to adjust and stuff like that. So I was thinking even like maybe some kind of a suspender thing or something like that. Just a single suspender hooked on the belt loops in a pinch would look kind of cool, maybe trendy. I don't know. Maybe we should start that one. Anyways, so this runs about $6 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a little bit of kickbacks from that stuff, so it helps out the channel. If you guys want to do that, I would appreciate it. And thanks for watching this unboxing and kind of review on this adjustable bag strap, or whatever you want it to be for, I guess. You know what? Should we try the let's try the suspender, see if we can pull that off. Oh yeah, that's right, guys. So just pulled off the single strap suspender here. So here it is. Maybe they just start a new trend. I don't know. We could try it. If you get 2 of these, you could do like a cross suspender looking thing. Might be pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. We actually pulled off a belt with this thing, so it's got a little belt action too. So this is like this little strap you can use for a bunch of different things. Pretty cool. Thought I'd share that last part. Have a great day, guys.